Learn English with stories. Listen and practice. Today our story is A Blind Love. In a bustling city park sat a young woman named Lily. Every day she sat on the same bench, feeling the warmth of the sun and listening to the sounds around her. The chirping birds, the rustling leaves, and the laughter of children. One day a gentle melody filled the air. It was someone playing the flute, a sweet, calming tune. Lily smiled, captivated by the music. When the song ended, a voice spoke beside her. That was beautiful, wasn't it? It was kind voice, a young man. Lily turned her head in the direction of the voice. It was, she replied. You play very well. The young man, whose name was Ethan, sat down next to her. They talked for hours about everything and nothing. Lily told him about the world she experienced, the feel of the wind, the scent of flowers, the taste of her favorite lemonade. Ethan in turn described the world he saw, the vibrant colors of flowers, the fluffy white clouds in the sky, the way Lily's smile lit up her face even though she couldn't see it. Days turned into weeks, and their conversations on the park bench became a cherished routine. Lily loved Ethan's humor, his kindness, and the way he made her feel safe and understood. Ethan loved Lily's intelligence, her zest for life, and the way she saw the world in a unique way. One day Ethan gathered his courage. Lily, he said, even though you can't see the world the way I do, you have shown me a beauty I never knew existed. I think I'm falling in love with you. Lily's heart pounded. Ethan, she whispered, I feel the same way. Your music is the most beautiful thing I've ever heard. You make my world a brighter place. They didn't need sight to see the love they felt for each other. They saw it in their shared laughter, their comfortable silences, and the way their hearts beat as one. Their love story proved that love is blind and the most beautiful things in life can be seen with the heart. And here our story ends.